Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda if you are new, and in today's video we are going to be making a YouTube thumbnail. If you are new at making thumbnails, or if you are just curious about the process, definitely keep on watching. There are so many websites out there that you can use to make a thumbnail, but personally I'm going to be using Canva. I think it's super user-friendly and easy to navigate. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos. And without further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay guys, so first you are going to go to canva.com and then you are going to click on this little search box right here, and we are going to click on YouTube thumbnail, or type it in if it doesn't just drop down. And then we are going to start off with this blank background here. So once we're this far, we are going to be able to see all of our options on the left hand side. So we have templates, photos, elements, text, videos, background, uploads, folders, and more. I'm gonna go to downloads on the left hand side here, click that, and then you will see all the photos that I have available to drag over to create a thumbnail. So these photos were just in here from when I made my misguided thumbnail, so we are just gonna use these. I'm going to click on this one right here, and I'm just going to position it however I would like it. So I'm just gonna drag it over and pull it to the side until it is right perfectly in the middle. So then I'm gonna grab another photo and I'm gonna do the same thing. Just play with it until I get it the size and the position that I want. Perfect. So now that I have my photos in place, I'm gonna go over here to the text option. I'm gonna click that and I'm going to click on add a heading. From here, you can drag this box wherever you wanna position it. And I'm gonna put it somewhere right down here, I think. And I'm going to just drag it over a little bit to kind of position the size the way I want it. And then I'm going to change the color of the text. So I'm gonna go up here to text color, click on that, and then here I have like a whole menu of colors to choose from, and I'm gonna do this dark gray color. Now that I got that down, I'm going to retype in the box whatever I want to have it say. Just like that. Perfect. And then I'm gonna go back over to the text option and I'm going to click on add a subheading, and that's going to bring up a smaller box to play with. So I'm also going to change the text color to that same gray because I want it to match. And then I'm going to type something else below here. Okay, and then I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger. And then I want this text to stand out a little bit more, so I'm gonna go up here and click on this little box right here, and then it's going to open up all of these different text options. I'm gonna choose this one right here. And then you can see it just made it a little bit chunkier, which I like. So it kind of matches this one a little bit more. So once I have that in place, how I like it, I'm going to now show you that you can add like shapes and things if you want. So for example, we could do this square, and of course we can make it smaller, make it bigger, however you want. And if you want to put text in the box, you would just go back to the text option, and then we could use this really small text right here and just drag it up, drop it, just like that. We can also change the color of this text the same way we did with the other one, just like that. And of course, type in whatever we'd like it to say. new pieces. So yeah, that's just like a few little things that you can do. And let's say you don't want something anymore, you want to delete it. You just click on it and then you right click and then you just hit delete. Super easy, super simple. So let's say you were all done making your thumbnail and you were ready to save it. So you would go up here to the right hand side and click this download button, and then you are going to click on this download and make sure it is saved as a PNG file, because PNG files are the correct size for a thumbnail. So after that is done, you're gonna click download, and it only takes a few seconds to download, and generally it shows up in your download section. So there we have it, our new created thumbnail. So that is it, guys. That is how I make my YouTube thumbnails. It's really just about playing with the website and kind of just deciding what you want to have done. Hope this video was helpful on how to make a YouTube thumbnail. Comment down below or like this video if it was helpful. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.